As chairman of CII Northern Region, I had the privilege of working with the Rajasthan government in partnering, because CII was the industry partner for the Rising Rajasthan Summit as well as for today the Pravasi Rajasthani Sammelan. And I would say in both of these things, the Honorable CM's vision and the groundbreaking that has happened in so many projects is truly commendable. It has made it truly possible for industrialists to come and invest and truly make a commendable impact. तो आप लोग सबको ये जान के खुशी होगी कि आउट ऑफ 600-700 मिलियन टन्स ऑफ सीमेंट कैपेसिटी जो आज देश में है, लगभग 100 से 150 मिलियन टन जो सीमेंट बनता है वो राजस्थान के पत्थर से बनता है. एंड अक्रॉस द इंटायर नॉर्दर्न स्टेट्स, चाहे वो पंजाब, हरियाणा, दिल्ली, वेस्टर्न यूपी, मध्य प्रदेश, इट्स एक्चुअली राजस्थान mineral which is used, and Rajasthan is the state which is truly cementing the nation, right? So that is just one way to say it. Chittorgarh, the land of Rana Pratap, it is the land which was the hub of cement manufacturing in Rajasthan. In fact, today maybe over 30-40 million tons of cement is just produced out of Chittorgarh. It is a state which is truly welcoming, and a state where I can tell you, if you start your business, something good will only come out of it. Further, we are investing in Jaisalmer. अगर वो लाइन से पूरा पाकिस्तान के 40 किलोमीटर दूर हम पहुँचें तो जैसलमेर में सबसे बड़ा लाइमस्टोन डिपॉजिट है आज राजस्थान का. और इस सरकार के समय पे mineral block auction started in that region, and our company was one of the first to take a mineral block in the area, and we are the first to also start construction of our cement plant in Jaisalmer, which will be powered by 100% renewable energy, sir, making it one of the first plants in the country to be powered by 100% renewable energy. And the environment clearance happens at the state level for that particular project. And the state for the first time has started something which is called the standard tour, जिसमें आपको मीटिंग तक नहीं जाना होता है. एंड वो स्टैंडर्ड टूर के दौरान आज within 4 months, which is I think one of the fastest to get environment clearance for a cement plant, that has happened for our Bikaner project. So sir, again, thank you.